Statistics for Clinicians is my personal tailored program, addressing young researchers and a refreshing reminder to my colleagues. So whether you are reading a manuscript or simply a pamphlet, attending a conference, preparing a grant proposal or a thesis, up to reviewing or supervising the work of others, this program will provide you with the basic statistical knowledge in our mutual language as biologists. Chi-square test relates to qualitative variables such as success or failure to the type of given treatment. The multiple tests of student compare two means. One-way ANOVA compare multiple means and repeated measures as well. Following significant ANOVA, you will learn which post hoc analysis to choose from more than 20 available tests, when to use correlation and when to use regression. The non-parametric tests of Mann and Whitney, Kruskal and Wallace, rank, McNamara test, Wilkinson sign rank test, and Friedman test, or this parametric armada can save your day if your study or small or lacking the assumptions of normality. You will learn how to arrange for, execute, and most importantly, interpret the results of linear regression, Cox regression analysis, logistic regression, Kaplan-Meier curves, and log rank tests. The outcome measures of those studies will be detailed, namely odds ratio, relative risk, hazard ratio, number needed to treat, sensitivity, specificity, positive and negative predicted values, likelihood ratios, and area under the log curve. We plan to get you ready in 7 online sessions. 2 full days will be totally practical using SPSS and online calculators. Moreover, each session will remain available for review for 48 hours. Our prerequisites are simple. You just have to know how to add, subtract, divide, and multiply 2 numbers. Count on us for the rest. Trust is not one person, trust is a whole team.